In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2003 through 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a small screwdriver. Simply insert the screwdriver in the notch at the top of the key fob and twist. Once you have the key fob open, you'll want to remove the button panel. And you'll find that the battery is located here. You'll want to take your small screwdriver and just help slide that old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Make sure that your buttons are aligned. And then you can just snap the key fob back together. And you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.